Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Propanoic acid versus pentane looks tricky, but this is quick. Compare the forces between molecules and the higher boiling point basically reveals itself. Start with what they share. Propanoic acid and pentane have nearly the same molar mass, so their London dispersion forces should be pretty similar, not wildly different. Watch this. That means molar mass alone cannot make pentane the higher boiling liquid here, because both molecules are close in size, so dispersion forces are not the deciding factor. Now, the key difference, propanoic acid can form hydrogen bonds, but pentane cannot, so propanoic acid has stronger intermolecular forces and the higher boiling point. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing past given evidence. Rule, trust the given comparison and check which intermolecular force is actually stronger.